So our motherwort, our Leonoris cardiaca, also called lion's tail. We use the entire aerial portion of the plant, so the stem, the leaf, the flower. It is a heroic, an emmenagogue, antispasmodic. It's what we call a nervine in Chinese medicine, in Western medicine. So a nervine also is one of those generic terms, and depending on who you talk to, will have a different definition. For our definition of a nervine, we're going to say that it's calming to the nervous system. Sometimes things that are nervines can be calming to the nervous system and really nutritive. This isn't an example of a nutritive nervine. It's more just works on the nervous system. It's a diuretic, a carminative, and a carminative means that it can stimulate digestion, and it's also a cardiac tonic. So something like Leonoris actually works on the heart muscle, as opposed to violet, which we say just works for heartache, and it's more this energetic aspect of the heart. The herbs in this category actually have an effect on the cardiac muscle. So really important to think about when you're working with people that are on medications for the heart. The systems are the circulatory and the hepatic. The taste is bitter, and in some books they also say bitter spicy. The energy is cool. We use it a lot in Western herbalism for painful menstruation and lack of menstruation, which we call amenorrhea. It could also work on arterial sclerosis, and so this is like plaque in the arteries that may cause a blockage that can eventually lead to a heart attack. It treats angina, which is kind of this diffuse heart pain. Treats insomnia and the old school definition of hysteria. Hysteria, a lot of people don't like the name for because it automatically brings this image of like a woman in hysterics. But really what it means is it treats that outburst of uncontrolled emotion that either a man or a woman can have. Caution, you definitely want to avoid during pregnancy because it's an emmenagogue, which means it promotes uterine bleeding. And when you're pregnant, we definitely do not want to promote uterine bleeding. So as a preparation, we would use either infusion or a tincture, and like most other herbs in Western herbalism, 3 to 6 grams in an infusion or 1 to 2 mils in a tincture up to 3 times a day.